Hello, and thanks for joining. This is Bill Sullivan with Pharos Systems. In this presentation, I'm going to review our exciting new suite of features coming with Uniprint 9. I'm going to review My Print Center, which is a new user web portal, our credit card gateway option, which integrates with My Print Center to allow users to add funds directly from the web 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as well as MobilePrint 2.0, which integrates seamlessly with My Print Center to give your end users a whole new web experience with the Uniprint product. I'm going to start with just one slide to show you how this all fits together. Then we're going to go directly into a demonstration. My Print Center is a new web portal off Uniprint 9. It comes as a standard feature of Uniprint 9, and it allows users to see their entire queue of jobs they've submitted into Uniprint. They can also release those jobs to printers. They can understand the balance that they have for printing. They can also see their transaction history of what they printed, what the cost was, what was deleted, and so on. You can also allow for guests to create their own guest account for Uniprint via the Print Center. So that eliminates the need for them to interact directly with administrator to create up a guest account. Again, those are base features that come with Uniprint. You can also get the ability for end users to add their own funds, license our new credit card gateway, and users in the same Print Center interface can top up their Pharos account funds via credit card or with a PayPal account. And there's a new MobilePrint 2.0 for Uniprint 9, and it integrates seamlessly to have one interface and one experience for users with both Uniprint and MobilePrint functionality. With MobilePrint 2.0, users can upload files directly via Print Center into their Uniprint queue. Of course, it supports the email print submission workflow of MobilePrint. And they can also update the print job finishing options directly in the Print Center interface prior to releasing the job at a printer. Those are the base components. Let's go and take a look at My Print Center. This is the login screen for My Print Center. The base colors and logo and naming of the site can all be customized by you to fit your school or university. You can see I am a guest. This is the option to allow guests to register and create a guest account within Uniprint directly from the My Print Center login. This is something that's configurable. You can have this option on or off. And these counts if at the end of 30 days and if no other action is taken and there's no funds in the account, the account will be deactivated automatically within Uniprint. I'm going to log in, same Uniprint credentials. This is the main landing page of My Print Center. Let's just quickly review what's base functionality and what are options. So base functionality provides the user the full job list of the Uniprint. It allows them to see their Uniprint activity. It allows them to see their funds available, as well as to search and select printers. If we add that credit card gateway option, you'll get add funds and they can update their funding amount directly in this interface. We'll review that in a few minutes. If they have MobilePrint 2.0, the upload feature is added to the interface, as well as the ability to change the print options on MobilePrint jobs. Okay, so let's look at this a little more deeply. If a user would like to add content, for example, they could upload, select an image or file. It'll be processed into the system and then becomes available. They can preview that content, and the preview does reflect the options for that job. So if I go back to my penguins, go to print options, change it to color, the representation is now a color document, and preview is now in color. Of course, costing is updated directly from Uniprint based on the options for each job, and as they're changed, they'll be updated. A user can also understand their funding options. My Print Center fully supports cost center association, so they can select a job. They can search for cost centers that are available to them, and they can assign that cost center to a job. They can also have the job cost come directly from their funds. And of course, all that's configurable on the back end of Uniprint. An end user can also select and search and select printers. In this case, we'll search, got a couple of printers. The options for the print will also update between black and white and color and so on based on the capabilities of the job selected. They can select multiple jobs with multiple payment methods, for example, and go ahead and print. Now, important note, the ability to have end users print from the Print Center is something that you can configure on and off. If you wish them to always authenticate at the device, turn that print button off, and users will go, they'll still work in the Print Center as needed, but they'll authenticate at the device to retrieve the print. If not, they'll select print. It'll give them a summary, and go ahead and send those jobs directly off to the print device. Now let's look at the Pharos credit card gateway, which gives the end user the ability to add funds directly from my Print Center. The user can enter an amount that they would like added to their Pharos account. The back end of the credit card gateway is PayPal. The school has one standard PayPal account that's linked to their bank accounts. You can put this in a mode of the student pays a transaction fee. You just need to cover the PayPal fees, and you can add additional fees on top of that if you wish. Or you can put it in a mode where the school pays the transaction fees and the end user does not see the transaction fee line. In this case, I'm going to add $10 to my account. I agree to pay and continue on. So the key point here is we've now leaving your web environment, your firewall, and we're going to PayPal pages. That puts the PCI compliance primarily on PayPal, as all the entry of the data and the transactions are being done on their hosted servers. If the end user doesn't have a PayPal account, they can enter any of the major credit card numbers, and it's a standard credit card transaction. In this case, I'm going to use a PayPal account. On the left-hand side, it's giving me my amount. The total amount will be $10.61. 61 cents is going to go to the transaction fee, and $10 will go into the Uniprint account. Student selects Pay Now. And they'll be redirected back into the print center, and they'll be notified that their funds have been added to their account. Okay, let's look at the Activity tab. The user can see any funds that they've entered. They can also see jobs that they've printed, how they were billed, what the cost was to them, and go back into their history with Uniprint. So we're very excited about the Print Center, bringing this nice web experience to you and your users. Administrators do have some additional tabs that allow them to manage and understand all the transaction fees going on with the credit card gateway. And we think this in Uniprint 9 it brings a whole new level of functionality for you to support your print users in your environment. So thank you again for watching this. We appreciate you. Thank you.